do to you, huh? Look, the lips, the hips, the taste, the hair, the eyes, the skin, the weight. You see what I can do on this microphone, so guess what I'm gonna do to you, huh? Perfection.